You're cooking an omelet for your weekend breakfast, mindlessly imagining your first cheesy, peppery bite, when all of a sudden, ouch! Your hand touches the hot stove. You pull away before your brain even processes that you are in pain. What exactly is happening in this moment? How did your brain receive a danger signal from the outside world? And conversely, how was your body able to respond? As it turns out, the answer to both of these questions is the same. Your neurons, or nerve cells, sent and received these signals. Almost all animals have neurons, except for sponges and some simple animals. About 100 billion neurons make up the human brain, and many more make up our spinal cord. In general, a neuron's job is to transmit chemical or electrical information. Each nerve cell has three parts: a cell body, an axon, and dendrites. The cell body, also called the soma, is the neuron's control center. It contains the nucleus, which controls the functioning and development of the entire cell. Many thin dendrites stretch from the cell body like branches of a tree. Their job is to receive information from their environment or from other neurons. A long axon stretches from the other side of the cell body to the axon terminal, which is connected to other neurons at a junction called the synapse. Neurons communicate with each other through electrochemical signals. When the dendrites are stimulated by a change in the environment, or by a signal sent by another neuron, the chemical balance in the axon changes from an at-rest state to an active state. This signal is sent down the length of the axon and can be passed to a connecting neuron at the synapse. There are three main types of neurons: sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. Sensory neurons receive input from the environment and carry signals to other neurons. Interneurons connect neurons to each other, and motor neurons send signals from your brain to the outer parts of your body. When you touched the hot stove, sensory neurons told your brain that you were in pain, and motor neurons told your hand to move away. Some aspects of neuron behavior are still mysterious to the scientists who study them. However, it is hard to overstate their importance. Each nerve cell has a fairly straightforward task, but networks of neurons are responsible for human thoughts and behavior. Without them, we would not be able to process or respond to our environment at all.